Hello, this is Connie Control. Connie is an experienced clinical project manager. As a clinical project manager, Connie is responsible for managing a project team to ensure that the study runs smoothly and successfully. Her project team consists of clinical monitors, data managers, biostatisticians, safety managers, regulatory affairs managers, and document managers. One of our main responsibilities is to keep an oversight, because lack of oversight is frequently reported as a finding during audits or inspections. Lack of trial oversight means that the patient's safety and rights, data quality or data integrity cannot be ensured, which would mean that she would be failing at her job. However, the conduct of clinical studies is complex, especially the conduct of multi-center or even international studies. Several differences have to be taken into consideration, such as several study team members need to be managed, different study sites, investigators, vendors, and countries that bear different cultural and language differences. Connie tries to keep everything under control by having regular meetings with her team. She attends to her clinical monitoring team and joins them during monitoring visits at the study sites. She also has to track millions of study information in several Excel sheets. Even though Connie is extremely diligent and works a lot, she never quite has the feeling that she has a study oversight. Often she faces challenges such as lack of information from her team members, daily surprises regarding the project delays, and copy and paste errors, amongst other things, giving herself the stressful feeling of losing control. After several years of stress, sleepless nights, and continuous feeling of failing in her responsibilities as a project manager, Connie is glad that this issue was resolved with the implementation of QCTMS. QCTMS is a combination of several tools: a flexible electronic investigator site file, an electronic trial master file, a quality risk and project management tool. Compared to other tools that are overloaded with functions, options, and features, often leading to a more additional stress factor for the project managers, QCTMS is kept simple. All critical study data and essential documents are reported to one central database. The tool alerts delays, missing data, and deviations proactively via a traffic light system. Prior to QCTMS, this was done by Connie manually. Now Connie is spending 50% of her time reviewing alerts in the QCTMS and thereby has much more time to work with her team on corrective and preventive actions if errors or deviations occur. QCTMS is a software, meaning it's able to track, verify, and compare data better and much faster than people can. This is the reason Connie loves the support of QCTMS, which lets her focus on what tasks she can improve. As an experienced project manager, she can interpret information, communicate with all involved stakeholders, and she can also lead her team. This is the first time after many years of managing clinical studies that Connie has the feeling that she's managing the project rather than being managed by the study. She feels much more fulfilled in her role as she can now follow her passion. She's much more happier, triggering kindness to the rest of her team. This brings joy in her everyday work as a clinical project manager. Secondly, the sponsor is happy due to better data quality, more transparency, cost-effective work, and a relaxed Connie as a daily communication partner. When will you transition from lack of oversight to a complete oversight using QCTMS,